Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. It is time to correct your dictation. Okay, yesterday's dictation. On met un apostrophe S quand on veut dire d'hier. Ah, yesterday, okay? Yesterday's dictation. Bon, alors, Nicole, elle va nous dicter tout ça. Hey, Nicole, you're right here. How are you today?
I'm right here. I'm good.
Okay, perfect. How are you guys? You doing okay? Perfect. OK. Bon, avant de démarrer, si vous ne l'avez pas fait, abonnez-vous à cette fabuleuse chaîne YouTube. Il suffit de cliquer sur le bouton rouge en bas à droite. Et vous pouvez aussi récupérer votre kit complet qui fait 37 pages illustrées concrètes. Il suffit de cliquer sur le bouton rouge, pardon, qui est en haut à droite. Il arrive directement dans votre boîte email. Voilà, où est Nico? OK. Nico, we are listening to you.
All right.
Yep.
Okay. Since I said the title last time, I'll say the title.
Yeah.
How to Win Friends. That's the title. Okay. Next sentence. Making friends depends on several factors, period. Okay. It is a matter of personality, for instance, period. For instance, period. Good. If you're, this is tricky, if you're very sociable, for example, comma,
Sociable, for example,
comma, it may be easier for you to win friends. Okay. On the other hand, if you're shy, that's another tricky one. If you're shy, comma. Okay. It does not mean it is difficult for you to forge new relationships, comma.
Relationships. Comma. Right? Comma. Okay.
It just means.
Let me move to the second page.
It just means. Perfect.
Yeah.
It just means it may take more time, comma. But, comma, as shy people are usually very observant. Comma. They can build strong friendships, period. Anyone can. And it is utterly important to enjoy one's life, period.
Enjoy what?
One's life.
Alors ça, c'est une forme neutre, en fait, qui remplace le on pour profiter, pour qu'on profite de notre vie, vous voyez. Mais quand je dis on, en fait, c'est tout le monde. Et là, c'est la même chose en anglais, parce que vous voyez, vous aviez anyone, OK, anyone can enjoy one's life, OK. Donc, le once, il reprend la forme impersonnelle de la troisième personne du singulier. Ici, en pronom sujet, ça serait par exemple one. One can enjoy one's life.
Yep,
Okay?
exactly.
Petite note de grammaire. Okay. Are we done?
Yeah. Yep,
Oh God, so quick.
Yeah.
Okay, could you please like maybe like read the whole dictation once again?
Yeah.
Okay.
How to win friends. Making friends depends on several factors. It is a matter of personality, for instance. If you're very sociable, for example, it may be easier for you to win friends. On the other hand, if you're shy, it does not mean it is difficult for you to forge new relationships. It just means, it's good to repeat, it just means it may take more time. But as shy people are usually very observant, they can build strong friendships. Anyone can, and it is utterly important to enjoy one's life.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Nicole.
You're welcome.
Perfect.
Can I comment on the slide before?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
So where it says your, it should, a lot of people mistake it for your without the apostrophe RE.
Wait. Let me get the pen. So
yeah.
Oh,
so
God. Wait. Up. So your is ton, ta, votre. Okay.
Yeah.
And it should not be mistaken with your.
Okay.
Qui est la forme contractée de you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just wanted to make sure.
Okay. Thank you very much. Would you like to add something else, or it's okay?
We're okay. I can't even speak English right now.
Okay, so try in French.
Je suis trop timide.
Okay. But you can forge new relationships easily as you are very observant, so.
Oui.
Vous voyez, il faut recaser sans pitié le vocabulaire que vous voyez dans les dictations, chers amis. Ceci en est un exemple, je ne sais pas s'il est parfait, mais en tout cas, il est concret, ça c'est sûr. J'espère que vous avez apprécié cette dictée. Si vous avez des questions, vous pouvez mettre ça juste en dessous. Un petit like du verbe apprécier, aimer en anglais, ça fait toujours du bien. Là aussi, c'est en bas, à droite, à côté du bouton s'abonner à cette fabuleuse chaîne YouTube. Dernière chose, si vous ne l'avez pas fait, ça arrive directement dans votre boîte email. C'est gratuit, c'est illustré, concret aussi, 37 pages. C'est votre kit complet pour vous remettre à l'onglet. Il suffit de cliquer sur le i en haut à droite pour le récupérer. Well, Nicole, à demain, once again.
À demain, bien sûr.
Improve our English, guys.
Yes.
Talk to you tomorrow, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.